what is the system in this world, how the light is being revealed in this world. In order to explain it, I'm going to use the smallest building block of our universe, the atom. The atom is structured with a proton, electron, and neutron. The proton is representing the positive charge, which means the giver, the one that has what to give. The electron is representing the lack, the recipient. And the neutron is representing the balance between them. And we see in the atom, even though the electron have a craving to receive from the proton, there is a certain energy field that is keeping the electron moving around the nucleus of the atom, but never touching him, never reaching to him. Because if the electron will touch the nucleus, there will be explosion. It won't work. On the same principle, if I'm looking at electricity, I have a positive pole and a negative pole, plus and minus. If I'm going to take the two wires, while I'm having a live electricity in the wires, and putting them together, the result will be a short circuit, explosion. In order to have light, I need to have a light bulb that will be the intermediate, the balance between plus and minus, separating between them, but connecting at the same time. And then the filament in the light bulb will shine the light, because the electricity will go through the circuit in a proper way. Another example. The sun rays are going through space, which means in space, in the outer space, between the sun to Earth, I'm supposed to have light. But the fact is that it's totally dark. Louis Armstrong with Apollo 11, when they went out to space, the first thing that he said as they separated from Earth totally, said it's so dark here, more than the darkest night on Earth. Which means in space, even though that we have the rays of the sun, it's dark. How come? Science is telling us that in order to reveal the rays of the sun, I need a reflecting object, like the moon. The rays of the sun are hitting the object, being rejected, and then they are being revealed as light. The same is happening with the atmosphere of Earth. The rays of the lights are coming to the atmosphere of Earth, and as a result, hitting the atmosphere, it's being reflected, and we have nice light over here. So therefore, in order to reveal light, I need to reflect the light, not just to take, because if I'm just taking, this is what's happening in space. Just going through without a reflecting factor, the result is darkness and no revelation of light. So it's a paradox in this world. In order to receive, you need to give. You need to overcome the desire to receive and to share. But the paradox is all over. We are looking into the fact of, if I want to grow a tree, in order to grow a tree, I need to take the seed, to plant it in the ground, to cover it with the dirt, with the earth. The seed is disappearing in the earth. And then I have a start of a tree. In order to reveal, I need to conceal. It's a paradox. But this is the way that our universe is working. This is the law. As a result of what took place in the infinite world, what we spoke in the previous lesson. So, if I want truly to receive light and to receive blessing in my life, I cannot do it if I'm just thinking on myself. And if I'm doing actions that are hurting other people and I'm feeling great, this is the illusion of our world. And about this I'm going to speak in the next session.